Hey, what's up and welcome back from Insanity Films, and today is a giveaway time. A giveaway of the new Google Pixel 3. It's not gonna be the Google Pixel 3 XL because that's the one that I'm going to buy for myself as well. So Google Pixel 3. Please pay attention to the entire video because instructions for the giveaway are at the end. So here we go. We are already well familiar with what the Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL look like in terms of design. And now we know what colors Google's next flagship smartphones will come in. Droid Life noticed this Google-hosted confetti-filled coming soon teaser website that shows an outline of a Pixel phone with the company's G logo at the bottom. Clicking on the logo rotates between three different colors: mint, white, and black. The green hue inside the white outline is almost certainly a reference to the color buttons on the white and mint pixels. The back phone shows gray instead of the green. Last year's Pixel 2 came in white, black, and a muted kinda blue, which I didn't like much. So Google isn't deviating from its three-color approach, but if you were hoping to see something more vibrant or eye-catching out of this year's lineup, that looks like a no-go, maybe next year, red pixel? Thanks for watching, subscribe, like, comment, and please share. And here we go, the instructions to enter the giveaway. Good luck and happy Google Pixel, and as usual, Insanity Films out!